Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day. So how are you all? It's been so long that I've shot any YouTube video, and today is the day I'm gonna shoot a video for you all. And today I'm gonna be unboxing one of the finest brands, which is K by Katrina. So to receive this PR package, let me tell you, this video would be all honest and the reviews are non-sponsored. Nobody gives me money to say good things about the brand. So what I feel and what I really achieve while using the products I do that. So this is the K by Beauty foundations that we have received. It's not the foundations, it's like the compact powders that you get along with the mirror. So let's unbox it first. So we're gonna unbox it. Wait, I think it's the taping done. Oops. So over here we see different shades. So the basic thing that I really liked about this thing is they have actually launched the shades for all the Indian skin tones. It's deep, it's matte, it's having a very smooth and classic finish, and it is available in 10 amazingly gorgeous shades. So we're gonna just unbox all these shades in front of you all to let you guys know how the texture of the product is, and also I'll be telling you how to identify your skin color and what foundation or what compact suits you the best. So yeah, let's get started for the video. Firstly, I'm gonna give you a detailed instruction on how to pick your shade. So if you see over here, it is written 120p and the product code is light. So what is the meaning of this 120p? What do you see if you see 120p? It's like 120 number, it's the K by Katrina code number. P is all about the pink tone, the yellow tone and the neutral tone. Okay, so like if you can see the veins of your palms, you will see if you have purple and blue undertones, purple and blue veins, you are basically pink tone. If you have very mixture of green and blue undertones, you are neutral undertone. All the peach, yellow and the neutral will fall with you. And if you are green veined, you are basically yellow undertone. So yellow undertone people, gold will suit you like anything. Pink undertone people, diamonds are your love. And neutral tone people, both diamonds and golds will suit you. I'm gonna just swipe, firstly unbox the product. This is the product and this is how it looks like. It says matte compact enriched with avocado and mango butter. So the packaging looks really nice. Can you see that? I just love these golden packaging. So you get these packaging in K by Katrina blush as well, and they have recently launched this foundation powder, this compact powder, and it has the same branding, it has the same shade, the same golden compact. Can you see? Just comes in my palms and it is so handy. I can just keep it inside my pouch, my makeup pouch, and it won't take much of spaces. What I hate about a lot of foundation is that they take so much of my space that I'm not able to bring about a lot of things in my pouch. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it and there you go. You get a mirror intact with it, and the mirror is so good. I mean, you'll be able to find everything the compact actually would have. And then you are given this shade. You can just swipe, tap this powder, it just mixes with your skin tone. So this is how you understand that this particular shade is yours. So I'm gonna unbox few more shades in front of you. I'm gonna unbox 180Y, which is a yellow tone and it is deep in color. So I basically love this because I can contour using this tone. So I don't need to have another contour powder. I can use this darker shade. And also if you have mistakenly taken any darker shade of compact, don't you worry, you can just mix it with your lighter shade of the cream, or you can just powder it and then you can just put the foundation or the compact concealer on it, and there you go, you will find it. Oops. So yeah, this is the shade we are talking about. This is a very deep kind of a shade. You will just scroll and see how beautiful, powdery, buttery, and so smooth it is. So if you just go over here, so you can see it's very darker to my skin tone. Now talking about the honest review about the product comes with a sleek packaging, which I think is amazing. Secondly, the price range of the product is about 799 rupees, which is not at all overpriced. The price is absolutely nice with the kind of moisturizing effect, the kind of enrichment, the kind of smooth finish this has. Completely goes out of the box to help you provide extra moisturization. So I think this is way too good for the money that you are investing in. So yeah, that's my take on this foundation range. Hope you guys like this video, and hope I just helped you out to pick up the right shade of compact. Also, these are very travel friendly. These are affordable, not that on a very lower range, but yeah, the kind of product it is, it has already taken my 100% of what I believe it to be. So yeah, I mean, that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll be so much on YouTube now. For the times that I was not there, apologies for that. You will see more of me now, and yeah, with this, take care.